Hi guys, Mika here once again, and I'm excited to show you what's got me productive the past few days. Working remotely has become the norm for a lot of people and even for students. This explains why there's a growing demand for versatile devices, most especially for tablets with PC-like functions. Are you one of those people looking for a capable yet lightweight device that could keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle? Keep watching as Huawei has 3 options for different types of users. Just to give you a quick preview, we have the Huawei 11.5-inch S, which is ideal for students and young professionals who do a lot of note-taking. You'll benefit from the paper matte display, which provides the feel of writing on actual paper. We also have the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2-inch, which is good for all-day productivity as it features the first ever tandem OLED paper matte display. It should be on the radar of creatives and professionals because of its PC-like functions and the latest GoPaint app. Lastly, you will be meeting the newest member of the family, the Huawei MatePad 12X. It's packed with features to excel in both creative and productivity pursuits with a spotlight on the recent update, its paper matte display. It's also perfect for those always on the go with its thin and light form factor. Let's start with the new member. When it comes to design, I love the shimmery pearlescent finish of the MatePad 12X, especially when the light shines on it. It adds a very unique and elegant touch, while the star ring camera layout is just the perfect accent. Here in the Philippines, it's only available in a refreshing color called greenery. Portability is also one of its strongest suits. It's even slimmer than the iPad Air, measuring 5.9mm versus the Air's 6.1mm. It's also lightweight, weighing only 555 grams. This makes it comfortable to grip during prolonged use and easy to travel with. And don't worry about daily wear and tear because this has a durable all-metal body. If you want a PC-like experience, you can avail of the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard and M Pencil with the MatePad 12X. I had a good experience with the keyboard since it offers a satisfying tactile feel, while the M Pencil gives a smooth and precise writing experience. Moving on to the latest update, we have a 12-inch ultra-bright LCD paper matte display. Another point for Huawei for having a larger screen compared to iPad Air's 11-inch model. This will be useful for browsing, reading, and multitasking. But what's more exciting for users, especially for professionals and creators, is a paper matte display that simulates the texture of real paper for that satisfying paper-like writing. It's also resistant to fingerprint marks. It also wins against iPad Air when it comes to screen brightness. This features 1000 nits peak brightness versus Apple's 500 nits peak brightness. So working or studying remotely won't be a problem with better visibility. You'll also feel less guilty being glued to the screen with its eye protection certifications. Despite its lightweight build, it doesn't compromise in performance. Under the hood, you have the Kirin T91 processor paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This allows you to multitask seamlessly whether you're doing research for school or dealing with numerous spreadsheets for work. For scanning or taking quick snaps of important documents and attending virtual meetings, you have a 13-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel wide-angle camera at the rear, while the front houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. Of course, one of the main highlights is the productivity features of the MatePad 12X. First, you have the upgraded Huawei Notes where you can doodle or jot down notes. You can use ballpens or highlighters, do color changes using a lasso, and easily search through your notes. It also offers convenience as it syncs audio and handwritten content. This makes it easy to trace back the moment you wrote down something. Second, you have Huawei's PC-level WPS Office. It's very intuitive given how the interface is just like Microsoft Office. You can enjoy the same functionalities such as editing Word documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoints. The best part is it's free and pre-installed. If creative work is more of your thing, the GoPaint app is your best bet. It's similar to Apple's Procreate app, but this one's also free. It will bring out your creative side with numerous brush and canvas selections. It's beginner-friendly, but it also has pro-level functions to cater to all artists. More details on this later. To complete the package, it has a long battery life for all-day use and uninterrupted workflow no matter where you are. This is complemented with fast charging capabilities with Huawei Supercharge. This one offers portable PC-level bundle all day long. Moving on to the Huawei MatePad 11.5-inch S, this was launched last June with a price point of $29,999. One of its main highlights is the 11.5-inch Paper Matte Display 2.0. Like every other model in the family, the Huawei MatePad 11.5-inch S is a great choice if you do a lot of note-taking. You can also achieve PC-level productivity with its Neuralink technology for both M Pencil and the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard. Like the MatePad 12X, the MatePad 11.5-inch S offers Huawei Notes, PC-level WPS Office, and GoPaint app to boost your productivity and creativity whether at work or in school. Recently launched with a starting price of $59,999, the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2-inch gives you the best of both work and play with its PC-like experience and immersive display. Not to mention, it has a stunning gold silk design. Let's start with the star of the show, the first ever 12.2-inch Paper Matte Tandem OLED display. With its 2000 nits peak brightness, you can easily work, create, and watch anywhere, even in broad daylight. The dual-layer OLED structure offers peak brightness while reducing energy consumption, so you can make the most out of your device. For productivity, you have the Huawei Glide keyboard. But what makes it special is you have a dedicated slot for storing and charging the M Pencil, a keyboard with satisfying tactile feedback, and a large touchpad. Truly a genius, as they call it. You can also use it in different forms, laptop mode or art mode. Likewise, you get to enjoy other productivity features like the PC-level WPS Office and Huawei Notes. And finally, whether you're a budding artist or a creative pro, you can explore the newest edition of the GoPaint app. As mentioned earlier, the GoPaint app is very beginner-friendly. I'm not a professional artist whatsoever, but it was so easy to become familiar with the interface. Just follow the 11-step tutorial and you're good to go. Want to flex your masterpiece? Huawei Philippines invites artists and creators to join the GoPaint competition and experience digital art creation with its flagship tablets. You may submit your entry until December 31, 2024 through the official GoPaint Worldwide Creating Activity page. Link in the description below. Be one of the top 20 winners to feature their masterpiece in a global exhibition. Also, $1,000 cash prize awaits. And there you have it. Ever since working remotely became the new norm, we've been on the lookout for versatile and capable devices, something that could keep up with us. The new Huawei MatePad 12X offers exactly that. Portability, paper matte display, and PC-level bundle, what more could you ask for? There's a MatePad for all types of users. If you want something that's easier in the pocket but loaded with productivity features, go for the MatePad 11.5-inch S. If flagship-level experience both for work and play is what you're after, then the MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is the right pick. And lastly, if you're looking for a feature-packed device that's heavy on productivity and creativity but light in weight, you have the MatePad 12X. For the Huawei store, customers who pay a deposit of 1,000 pesos from November 15 to 27 will receive 3,000 off their total. The balance can be made from November 28 to December 5. There is also an early bird voucher worth 2,000 that can be collected and redeemed from November 28 to December 31. As for Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, there is a 2,000 early bird voucher that can be collected from November 15 to December 31. And redeemed between November 28 and December 31. So that's a wrap! Let us know if you guys have any questions. See you guys soon!